Hello students, I had given you exercise number 1.3 in that third main as an assignment. So I have solved here and I am going to explain you the third main, all the correct statements and incorrect statements. So do follow up and see what answers you have written. Okay, then check it out whether you have written the correct answers or incorrect answers. Clear? So what is given in third main? A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. This together is one element, 3, 4 and 5. 3 and 4 are not separate. 3 and 4 together one element ಆಗ್ತದೆ and 5. Which of the following statements are correct or incorrect? And if they are incorrect, why you have to give? Reason also you have to give. Okay. So first one, 3, 4 is a subset of A. It is false. Because this 3, 4 is a subset they have given. No, this 3, 4 is what? It is an element of the set A. If it is written in double brackets, for example, this 3, 4, if it is written like this. So this 3, 4 is an element and it is written in the form of set. Therefore, this becomes what? Subset of A. So idana double brackets al bardidra matra subset ಆಗ್ತದ. As it is written in single bracket, therefore, it is not a subset of A. So the statement is incorrect. Why? Because 3 is element which is belong to 3, 4, but this 3 element is not present in your set. Okay, separate individual element 3 or separate individual element 4 is not present. Together it is present. Therefore, it is not a subset of A. Okay, second one. 3, 4 belongs to A. It is correct because the element 3, 4 is belonging to A. Therefore, the statement is correct. Next, here you can see 3, 4. It is written as a subset. Is it a subset of A? Yes, correct. Because the element 3, 4 belongs to this element and 3, 4 is also an element. It should be also an element and it should also form a subset. Avag matra enagtada? It will be a subset of A. Subset andre eno? Every element in this should be present. Okay. Therefore, if it is written like this in two brackets, it is correct. Because this is element. 3, 4 element. Adu yav form al bardar? Set form al bardar. So 3, 4, if you make it like this, two brackets, it becomes subset. Okay. Therefore, this is true where this is false. Okay. Next. Fourth statement, what it is? 1 belongs to A. Yes, of course it is correct. Because 1 is an element which is present in A. Therefore, it is a element of A. The statement is correct. Fifth one, 1 subset of A. Is it true or false? They have given. It is false. Again, this 1 is not written in set form. 1, if they have written like this, 1 is a subset of A, then this would have become true. ಇದು ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಬರೀ 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ರೀಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನೆವರ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ 5 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಟು ಯು ಆಲ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 6 statements sorry okay next statement is what 1 2 5 is a subset of A whether it is correct just check it out. Your elements are here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. From this you can make many subsets. Correct? You can make 1, 2, okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. All these are what? Subsets of this. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 raised to 4. 16 subsets you can form. In that, if you take 1, 2, 5. Yes, of course it is a subset of A. Okay, therefore each element 1, 2, 5, it is present in your set A 1, 2, 5. Therefore it is a subset because every element is present in set A. Next, 1, 2, 5 belongs to A. This is again false because they have given in the form of bracket. Bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1, 2, 5. ಈ ತರದ್ ಯಾವುದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಿಮ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, separately if they had given 1, 2, 5 belongs to A, then this statement would have been true. But it is given in bracket 1, 2, 5 as it is not present here. Therefore, the statement is incorrect. Seventh one. Next, 1, 2, 3 subset of A. Again false because 3 element is not present in your set. It is present like this 3, 4. This you have to take together as one element. Okay. Therefore, 3 element is not present in your set A. The statement is false. Okay. Then null set belongs to A. False it is because null set will be a subset of A. It is not belonging in your set A. Subset andreno? Because every subset is every empty set is a subset of every set, but null set it is not present in your set. You can see here it is not present. 5 is not present in A. Therefore, the statement is what? Incorrect. 9th one, it is incorrect. What about 10th one? 10th one, 5 is a subset of A. It is correct because I have given you one statement. Every empty set is a subset of every set. That is, empty set is subset of every set. Therefore, it is a subset. Next, last statement. In the bracket, they have written 5 is a subset of A. Again, this is false. You have to write either empty brackets or null set like this. Okay. Do not write null set in this form. This is wrong way of representing. 5 under a null set. If you write 5 inside the bracket, again it becomes one element there. Therefore, this becomes what? Wrong statement. Either you write the empty brackets or you write 5. Do not write like this. This is wrong representation. Do not write 5 in brackets. Wrong representation. Okay. Either write 5 or you write empty brackets. Therefore, 11th statement is also incorrect. So here I have given the proofs for each one. Okay. First one, it is incorrect. Second one is correct. Third one is correct. Fourth one is correct. Fifth one is again incorrect. Similarly, if I move on to sixth one again it is correct. Seventh is incorrect. Eighth is incorrect. Ninth is incorrect. 10th is correct. And 11th is incorrect. Okay. This is all about exercise number 1.3. I hope we have completed all the mains except this third main. I had given you as a homework for this. Hope if you have completed, verify your answers with these. Okay. Thank you.